Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma officially inaugurated the newly revamped IGP point in Shillong on Friday, marking a significant step in the city's beautification efforts. The redesigned area blends traditional elements with sustainable materials, creating a visually appealing space that reflects local culture. The design prominently features iconic Sora stones, bamboo and thatch materials that are deeply rooted in Meghalaya's heritage. Additionally, soil repurposed from marten was creatively utilized for the flower beds, emphasizing an environmentally conscious approach. The Chief Minister emphasized that this initiative is part of a larger plan to enhance the aesthetic and cultural essence of Shillong, aiming to make the city not only beautiful but also a better representation of its rich traditions and ecological balance.
All the junctions will be beautified in this manner so that it creates space for people to be in, and it's very important for us to ensure that we are using this existing space that we have in a very logical and in a very practical manner. So I'm very happy that this small step has happened. I'm really looking forward to the bigger outcomes that are going to be there, and and many other things that are moving forward. I also would like to take this opportunity to inform you that yesterday I was announcing about the 7-star resort that we are targeting for Orchid in Umiam. But I also would like to inform you that we have just finalized for a 4-star hotel to be put up in Orchid Polo. That has already been finalized, and like that many other things are happening. So the construction for the Polo Orchid, the entire old building will be dismantled, and private party has been selected through proper process, and now the construction of a 4-star hotel will start coming up in Polo. So like this, the assets and the land that we have of the government, we are ensuring that we are able to maximize the utility. You are seeing the construction of the parking lot that's coming up right next to the additional secretariat. Like that, there'll be many other locations that are coming up. So we expect that in the next 12 months, we should see a major facelift in the overall look of Shillong city, the traffic and all other aspects through a very strong integrated system, which will be then centralized at the integrated command and control center. So these are all things that are happening, and once again I thank all the officials and the designers who were involved in this. Again, last point, that we've used local material, as you can see. This is again something very encouraging, and we really want to continue doing this. We are all very happy that finally in Marten also the legacy waste is finally being now treated. So we are hopeful that that also within the next 12 to 18 months we should be able to complete the entire cleaning up of Marten also, which has been a long pending issue. And as mentioned by Commissioner Secretary, the compost that has come out from the initial phases of the cleaning up is being used here and in many other locations around the city. So once again, wishing you all the very best. Thank you and congratulations to all.